And they're off on the waltzers. Jackson waltz to this one. 1972. Harry Jones funfair. This one's down at Wednesfield. I'll take you in a moment. It's quite an unusual one, this being all black. I mean, it's like a negative version of Dobson's, which the cars are all white. Oh. Right, let's take you in.
Okay, right, there's more speed hot side. Here we go.
I forgot to mention that this one's owned by Jonny Humphreys. Don't see so many Jacksons these days. They're all either Maxwell's or Fairtrades. K's have got a bollard. So yeah, nice to see something a bit different there.
Okay, next ride, already next ride.
So there we go, Jonny Humphreys waltzer down in Wednesfield. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Thank you.